Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to change the profile of a device in the Casambi app. So, let's say that you had a Casambi controller, connected to a tunable white strip, but you've upgraded your lighting, and replaced your strip with RGB LEDs. We need to tell Casambi that the device is now controlling a different LED type. By doing this, Casambi can give us the right controls and features for our strip. To begin, open the app and access your network. Now double tap on the device that you wish to change. We need to unpair the device to change its profile. Once you've done this, tap on More in the bottom right, and select nearby devices from the list. The device you just unpaired should be showing up in the list. Tap on it, and select the Change Profile option. Now we're given a list of profile options. Make a choice that best suits your scenario, in our case, RGBW. Tap on Start Update, this usually takes around 10 seconds. Once the update is complete, we can add the device back onto our network. Now if we go back to our Luminaire screen, and hold down on the device icon, we see that we now have controls for an RGBW strip. If you have any questions concerning the Casambi app, be free to reach out to us, we'd love to help out. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.